Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today I will teach you how to make first step of Rubik's cube, the foundation of Rubik's cube solving. That is called a cross. Cross like this. Okay, I'm making like this. Okay, cross is called like this, and we are learning the first step of cross. Okay. Cross is all about aligning the edge of one face with the same color like the white. So this is white or one color face. So we are aligning the edges of white color on white top. Okay, this is very easy and very easy and very fast step, and you learn in just a 5 minute, not a second, 5 minute. This is the white face, and this is one white edge, this is second white edge, this is third white edge, and this is fourth white edge. So it's a one color. Okay, so we are aligning this in there. So do like this up. So our one edge is completed. So our second edge we are finding. Where is our second edge? There is one our second edge. So we are putting there to there. Okay, so very easy. Like do this and our two edge, don't see this. Okay, I'm hiding this. So our two edges is completed. Our third edge, where is third edge? Finding. So there. So this is very easy. So up is one color. Okay, the top of this color is one. So rotate like this, and our top is no color, top of our edge. So rotate like this one time, two time, and our edge is up. Okay, our third is also complete, and our fourth edge is in there. This is okay, blue, and there is a red color. So rotate like this, and there is no color. So there is no color. So do time. So our edges is complete, but this is our edges is complete, but not matching color like this. This is a orange. This is match good. This is a green blue. This is not matching. Okay, this is the red. This is also good. This is also good, and this is blue green. This is not matching. Okay, so our not matching color like do like this. Two time rotate from front. Okay, this is a not matching color. So rotate two time. 1, 2, and our that color is going down bottom. So rotate which color is this? This is a white with green. Okay, so where is green? There is green. No. There is green. No. There is green. Yes. So rotate two time up. Like that, we are rotating this to bottom or this to top. Okay, so two time top. So our one color is aligned, and our last edge is goes down. So which is this? Which color? This is blue. So this is blue. Not. This is blue. No. This is blue. Yes. So rotate like this to top. Okay, bottom to top. Rotate two time, and our edges is complete. So the second example, there is a many cases like this, there, and many cases like there. So many cases. Okay, so there is one blue edges. So like do like this one time down and up like this. There is green one time there to there up. Our two is complete, two side, and finding other there. So this is very easy. Do this to like this top, and rotate like this, and rotate back. Okay, so like this, and our fourth is there. So this is our right. This is red to red. Okay, so rotate two time. Okay, like do this, and there our the last color is in bottom. So the orange to orange. Okay, there is orange. No, there is orange. Yes. So like two time up. Okay, so our the cross is complete. This is very easy. Okay, thank you for watching this video, and you have to any problem, so comment anything, I reply you. Okay, I'm reading all kind of comment, and thank you for watching this video. Bye bye guys, and love you all, and subscribe to see more interesting and amazing video, and how to solve first layer of Rubik's cube. Also our video is coming soon, so do like and hit the subscribe button, and hit the bell icon. Subscribe and hit the bell icon. So thank you for watching this. Bye bye guys.